Hi everyone, this is Andrei from Chronologic, and today I'm going to show you how to execute an Edgeware transaction using Automate. In order to initiate the process, we need to get a signed Edgeware transaction. If you don't know how to sign a transaction on Edgeware, there is a link to another tutorial in the description below this video. Alright, first you need to choose the asset that you want to schedule a transaction for. It is going to be Edgeware. Copy your signed transaction and paste it in the execution window. In the condition section, you can see that your transaction will be executed when the EDG balance of your wallet is greater or equal to this little amount of EDG that I'm using for the tutorial purposes. You can change this value if needed. If you would like your transaction to be executed at the future point in time, check this box to use time scheduling. Here we can choose the date. Let's say I would like to schedule my transaction to be executed on January 18, 12:30 p.m. UTC time zone. At the bottom of the page you can see the summary of your future transaction. You can double-check the amount of EDG that you are going to send, the network you are operating on, the addresses of the sender and receiver, and the condition that you have just set. If everything is correct, you can go ahead and click Schedule. Alright, your transaction has been scheduled. In the pop-up, Automate will display the link to the summary of your transaction. Be sure to save this link for future references. For example, you can check whether or not your transaction has been completed. If by any chance you would like to change anything in your transaction or just cancel it, you can do it right here, at the bottom of the page. You can also schedule another transaction right away by clicking this button. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.